Hello, my dear friends. Welcome back to my new video. I hope you are happy, safe, and doing well today. Today's topic is very interesting, powerful, and helpful for every English learner. And the topic is how to speak English fluently without grammar study. Yes, you heard it right. Many people believe that they must study hundreds of grammar rules before speaking English. They think, I can't speak English because my grammar is weak. I make too many mistakes. I need perfect grammar first. But my dear friends, today I want to tell you something important. You do not need to master grammar before speaking English fluently. Think about this carefully. Did you study grammar rules before learning your mother language? No. You learned by listening, copying, practicing, and speaking every day. And that is exactly how fluent English speaking also works. So please watch this video till the end, because today I will share simple, practical, and powerful methods that can help you speak English naturally, without focusing too much on grammar study.
Part 1. Stop being afraid of grammar.
First of all, remove this fear from your mind. Grammar is not your enemy, but overthinking grammar can stop your fluency. Many learners do this. Before speaking, they think, is this sentence correct? Am I using the right tense? What if people laugh at me? And because of this fear, they stop speaking completely. But remember this, fluency comes from communication, not perfection. Even native speakers make grammar mistakes sometimes, but they continue speaking confidently. So your first job is simple. Speak first, improve slowly later. Do not wait for perfect grammar, because if you wait for perfection, you may never start speaking.
Part 2. Learn English like a child. Children do not open grammar books every day. They learn by listening, repeating, copying, using simple sentences. And slowly, naturally, they become fluent. You can do the same. Instead of memorizing grammar rules all day, start listening to English every day. Listen to English conversations, podcasts, interviews, movies, YouTube videos, simple English stories. When you listen regularly, your brain naturally learns sentence patterns. For example, if you hear these sentences many times, I'm hungry, I'm tired, I'm busy, your brain automatically understands the pattern. That is natural learning. And natural learning builds fluency faster than grammar memorization. Part 3. Focus on useful sentences. One of the biggest mistakes learners make is studying difficult grammar structures that they never use in real life. Instead, focus on daily use English sentences. Learn sentences like, how are you? What are you doing? I'm going to work. I need some help. I don't understand. Can you repeat that? I'll call you later. These sentences are practical and useful. When you learn complete sentences, you automatically learn grammar inside them, without stress, without confusion, without boring grammar study. This is one of the smartest ways to improve spoken English.
Part 4. Practice speaking every day. My dear friends, fluency is like a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it becomes. You cannot become fluent only by reading grammar books. You must speak. Even if your English is broken, even if your pronunciation is not perfect, even if you make mistakes, just speak. Speak every single day. You can practice in front of a mirror, with friends, with online partners, by recording your voice, by talking to yourself. Yes, talking to yourself is very powerful. For example, say, I am making tea now. I am cleaning my room. Today I feel happy. I want to improve my English. This simple habit trains your brain to think in English. And when you think in English, speaking becomes easier and faster. Part 5. Stop translating in your mind. This is one of the biggest secrets of fluent English speakers. Do not translate every sentence from your native language, because translation makes speaking slow. For example, if someone asks you, how was your day? Do not first think in Bangla, then translate into English. Instead,
Answer directly in simple English. It was good. I was busy today. I had a nice day. Simple answers are enough. Fluent speakers use simple English confidently. They do not try to sound perfect all the time. So train your brain to respond directly in English. At first, it will feel difficult, but slowly your mind will become faster, and one day, English will start coming naturally.
Part 6. Learn through listening. Listening is one of the most powerful ways to improve fluency naturally. If you listen to English every day, your pronunciation, vocabulary, and sentence structure improve automatically. That is why many people who watch English content regularly become fluent faster. So, create a listening habit. You can listen while walking, cooking, traveling, exercising, relaxing. Even 20 to 30 minutes daily can make a huge difference. But remember one important thing. Do not only listen passively. Repeat what you hear. This method is called shadowing. For example, if a speaker says, "Today I want to talk about confidence," pause the video and repeat, "Today I want to talk about confidence." Copy the pronunciation, speed, and emotion. This practice can improve your speaking dramatically. Part 7. Use simple English. Many learners think fluency means using difficult words. That is not true. Real fluency means speaking clearly, naturally, and confidently. Simple English is powerful English. For example, instead of saying, "I am extremely exhausted," you can simply say, "I'm very tired." Easy, natural, clear. Do not try to impress people with difficult vocabulary. Focus on communication, because communication is the real goal of language.
Part 8. Build confidence, not perfection. Confidence is more important than perfect grammar. A confident speaker with small mistakes can communicate successfully. But a silent learner with perfect grammar cannot improve fluency. So stop worrying too much about mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning. Every fluent speaker made thousands of mistakes before becoming fluent. Even babies fall many times before learning to walk. Speaking English is the same. So do not fear mistakes. Use them as lessons. Every mistake teaches you something new, and every speaking practice makes you stronger. Part 9. Create an English environment at home. You do not need to travel abroad to become fluent. You can create an English environment at home. Here are some easy ideas. Change your phone language to English. Watch English videos daily. Read simple English books. Write a short diary in English. Speak English during daily activities. Learn 5 new words every day. The more English you surround yourself with, the faster you improve. Consistency is the real secret. Not talent, not intelligence, not expensive courses. Just daily practice.
Part 10. Be patient and keep going. My dear friends, fluency does not happen overnight. Do not become discouraged if your progress feels slow. Every small practice matters. Every sentence matters. Every speaking attempt matters. Maybe today you can only speak a few sentences. That is okay. Tomorrow you will speak more. Step by step, day by day, your English will improve, but only if you continue. Never stop practicing. Never stop believing in yourself. Final motivation. Always remember this powerful truth. You do not need perfect grammar to start speaking English. You need courage, practice, consistency, and confidence. Language is for communication, so speak freely, speak naturally, speak every day. The more you speak, the more fluent you become, and one day you will surprise yourself. So, my dear friends, this brings us to the end of today's video. I hope this video helps you understand that fluency is possible even without heavy grammar study. Always remember, speak more, fear less, practice daily, believe in yourself. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please support my channel. Like this video, comment below, share with your friends, and subscribe to Smooth English Talks for more powerful English learning videos. Thank you so much for watching. Keep smiling, keep practicing, and keep speaking English confidently. See you in the next video.